eggs? You want to slide?
Come here.
Egg. Get egg.
Come on.
You ready to slide? Get your eggs.
Slide.
Go. Go.
Yay! He did the thing.
Look here. Look at Mickey.
Hey,
Oh boy.
did you find it?
Egg.
Put in the basket. All right. You want to get those two and put them
So
in?
one more?
Behind you, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, watch where you're
Mickey
putting
go
it.
in.
There we go. All right. Do you see any more eggs?
Yeah, he went right to it.
Oh, that
Yay!
Woohoo!
was zoom in on the eggs.
Can you get it out of there? I bet you can.
Yeah, I bet you can too.
Can you get out of there without opening it? Gotta be smarter than the board.
Smarter than the ha ha.
Here. Just slide it. Ready? Now take the egg.
The egg.
Now you do it.
There it is.
Oh,
Take it to Mama.
put it in the basket.
Or open it.
You want to know? You want to slide?
Slide down again, huh? Okay.
He didn't eat enough dinner.
You need a platform to stand on. Ready? Go.
Go.
Yay! You need to get his face over here when it comes down, baby. Here, let's hear him go down the slide again. Come sit over here.
Give it to Mama.
Wrigley. Here, I'm going to put it back up here.
Go do it again. Do it again.
Go get it.
Oh. Get out of the way. He's coming around to get the eggs. Go slide.
You want to do it up here. Slide.
Go slide. Oh.
Over here. Now do
Okay,
it.
come slide down. Come slide. All right, good job. Let's slide.